Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to start a chat in the Battle.net application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the chat section at the top of the page. And then click on the Start a Chat button. So first you have to enter a battle tag or a name in order to start the chat. And once you type that in, just click on the Start button at the top of the page on the right. And now you're ready to find new friends and start an epic journey with them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.